Hello and welcome to Boring Astronomy. I am Alessandro, your astronomer next door. I obtained my PhD in physics in 2006. I've been working in Italy, Chile, Belgium, Chile again, Spain and Brazil, and now I'm working in Spain. I had the idea of sharing astronomy to a general public many years ago, and several times over the course of my career it has happened to me that people would come to me, ask, what do you do? I would say, I'm an astronomer, and that would be the end. People tend to close up, people tend to start thinking that I am very intelligent, very clever, and therefore the conversation becomes very uneven. So I like the idea of sharing with others what we astronomers really look like on a daily basis. And it looks to me that many media outlets show astronomy only when there is big news to show. And also I miss the explanation of what the astronomy results actually mean and how they are obtained. So I find astronomy fascinating, and I think many people would agree that astronomy is indeed fascinating, and a lot of people I know that are interested in learning more about astronomy. Would you find a sunset more boring if you would understand the physical phenomenon behind the sunset? Of course not. What I'm trying to do here is to add, on top of the understanding of the beauty of what we're looking at, an understanding of the physical phenomena behind. Over the last century, astronomy has grown a lot, and it has changed in the way we work, it has changed on the way we do things, and it has increased a lot the volume of work that we do. Over the last 50 years only, we have changed from observations with photographic plates to digital detectors, and now we mix together information coming from different energies, and we are capable of handling databases of billions of objects. So I hope you will be happy and excited to join me in discovering what is the behind the scenes of astronomy. Boring astronomy. So here's the deal. I'm going to record a YouTube video per week, and my idea is to try to avoid to have videos longer than 15 minutes. And I want to try to reach out to those people who have fascination for astronomy, but always considered it very difficult. And I hope I will be able to convince you that it is not. I want to reach out those who have some interest in astronomy already, perhaps are amateur astronomers or early students, and they may need some help, and they may need some more information. And why not? I'm happy to reach out to colleagues who may want to have a new view on some topics. The sections we're going to try to address are basics. We're going to go through some of the basic concepts of astronomy, hopefully in an understandable way, but this is the whole logic of this project. We're going to cover breaking news, whatever hits the main outlets, but also whatever is interesting in the community, and try to share with you why these things are actually interesting for us. Once a month I will try to pick an article and share it with you and explain to you what the article is about, why is the article interesting. This is what I'm going to call the Journal Club. The Journal Club is not necessarily a way to say this is the best article of the month, but this is an article which is interesting to be shown beyond the ivory tower. Tips and tricks is perhaps what inspired me to create this channel. I want to show you what are the tools and what are the methods that we use on a daily basis almost to do our research. And every month I will invite you to discover the astrophysical object of the month. Every month I will pick an object and it's not going to be necessarily a famous one or an object that you can go out and look with your own eyes, but hopefully it's an object which you will find intriguing. And finally, with the collaboration of some colleagues, hopefully I'll be able to interview some colleagues and show you what we are. I can guarantee you that over the course of boring astronomy, I will make mistakes. I want to try to promote a culture of positivity, and I want to promote a culture of understanding. And if I want to do so, I will need collaboration from you, the viewers, to help me handling these mistakes, errors, misunderstandings through some respect, through some positivity, and through some understanding. Hopefully I will be able to share in a nice way and in a different way the behind the scenes of science, and hopefully it's going to be useful for you. Hopefully you will be able to do a new discovery one day. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon.